What's up, everybody? It's Wolf. How y'all doing today, man? We are back, and I tried to do my little theory here where I linked it up underneath the seat. It's a little bit confuzzled right now, but essentially it was like up over here. It was linked up underneath the seat, and it just wasn't. This cable was pulling, but it wasn't enough to basically pull this inside of the carb. So I got to figure out a way to link this up to here. I'm thinking maybe if we just take this away, take this and this contraption that we made and put it up there, we might be in a good spot. So I'm going to try to do that in this video, and then we're gonna try to get a top speed run, hopefully. All right, let's go for a rip. Hopefully we can get a good top speed run in. Well, it's not sticking, so that's a good sign. We'll hit this road here real quick, try to go faster. Hopefully the audio sounds good. I'm just using my motorcycle helmet, my full face, because I don't like the chest mount view. Alright, we hit limiter. Let's go, boys. Yay! Alright, that's fucking sick. I feel like it could go faster if I had a longer stretch. Are we gonna beat it? I don't know. I think 40 is where it maxes out. Maybe yeah. Yeah, 40.4. That's all she's got. I mean, that's pretty quick for a fucking go-kart. Can't really complain. It's a nice bike. Low drift action. Alright, let's put the phone away. Let's just have some fun. I'm not gonna lie. It feels like reserved compared to the other engine. Like, I don't know how to explain it other than like... It feels like it like tops out and then it's just there. Like the other engine feels like it could just keep going. It takes a while to top out. I don't know. Like it's reserved because it's not as torquey, but like you get to the max speed pretty quick. She's fucking walking all over the place. It's a good little time though. It's fun. I think we fixed our problem. I think that solved it. She's pretty much ready to rip at this point. love it so fucking much. It's so ignorant. Dude, I love it. It's smooth too. It kind of feels like, I don't know why, but it feels a little bit more controlled than it used to. Drift, let's go, boy. Oh, it's so fun. Bye. And good news is we're holding air, so I guess bending the rim back was a good thing. Man, I really want to see how fast we can actually get this to go, like upgrade the flywheel and shit. I think it'd be a good time. It'd probably be really zoomy. Oh, it's so fun. It fucking rips, dude. It rips. It definitely rips. Good time. Oh, I'm so glad that it's finally working. I've wanted to ride the go-kart for the last like 2 months, but it's been out of commission. 1, basically because of the tire, 2, because of the engine swap, and I've just been busy, very busy. I think we've fixed our problem. Oh, dude, it's so fun. The air in the tire is good, the air in this tire is good. We really need to run the kill switch up to the front. Holy shit. Sheesh. That's a good time. That is a really good time. Alright, well, hopefully you'll enjoy. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll have another video, I don't know, next week on something. I don't know what we're doing. I'm doing something to her though, having fun. A few things we need to actually like do proper. We need to get a gas tank, and we need to fix the brake, figure out like some sort of like a hydraulic brake or something like that. I don't know. I'd like to actually be able to drift it, get some slick tires, because like it skirted around that corner pretty well. I also had one wheel up in the air, so I don't know. We'll have to get like a mount for the other GoPro so I can put it on. I'll have to get a mount for the other camera so I can put it somewhere on here. And that way we can get like an actual angle. It'd be cool to get one of the Insta 360s, but one of the dudes I watch, Jixabra, he rides on his motorcycle a lot with his, and it doesn't work very well. But one of the dudes I watch that does mountain biking stuff, his works pretty sick. So I'm torn on what to do. I know GoPro has a 360 cam as well, but the Insta is cool because it has like, the Insta 1RX has like 2 things. Like you can do like 4K camera and you can do 360 all in one. I don't fucking know. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, I'm out. I lied. I checked the phone and we hit 44. Let's go. She's fast as fuck, boy.